At the end of the day, we're just two chefs trying to run a restaurant. I'm Rod Lassiter. I'm the owner and partner at Talat Market here in Atlanta, Georgia. Parnas approached me, wanted to do Thai food from scratch using the best local Georgia ingredients. That's what really got me excited. We work 2 or 3 days on the line, but during the morning, during the days off, we're trying to work on the budgets, which still is always tough. The next shift with Talat Market as an owner-operator, get things organized. Profit Assist, after 1 day, found some anomalies within our QuickBooks, just to help correct that human error, save the day. SpotOn actually understands our dining experience. Sometimes we get really busy, we need to move very fast. I had multiple staff. The same day we installed SpotOn, they're like, hey, I actually like this better. It's more fluid, it's easier to navigate. So my SpotOn rep, Amanda, is like an old friend that I didn't know I had. With a point of sale system, you really don't expect that. I want to grow as a business person, but I also just really like cooking food. We need to keep creating the dishes and things that got us to this point. The only way to grow the restaurant is to have a system in place. This is what I want, this connectivity to where you're not alone on an island as an independent restaurant. We're kind of in this together. We love it.